Hello guys, how you doing? Today I have the 2006 BMW X5, which is like from time to time, once in a while, like the 4x4 warning light came on, which is like they is saying like the DSC is inactive. So what happened is when I scan the vehicle, I have a fault for the transfer case actuator motor. That's a actuator motor. Sometimes there is a three scenario could be happen. It could be either the transfer case is bad, or the motor is bad, or like you need to replace like the whole thing. So at this point, there's a trick you could do on the motor. You try to remove the motor, and then you have to spin the gear and reinstall it and see if the fault gonna goes away. So at this point, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to remove the motor actuator from the transfer case, and we're gonna spin it and see if we will solve this problem. So guys, to remove the motor actuator from the transfer case, it's very easy. You see this like an e-tox right here, probably like a 10. That's one. It's like 3 of them. You're gonna have to remove all these 3 and disconnect the connector. It's like both of these, and then like I know, so that I could remove it. Let's do that. Okay guys, this is the first screws. That's a E0X 10 E10. I remove from the actuator. Now we will pop the actuator out. Okay. So you know, it's a plastic gear. At this point, we're gonna have to spin the gear around and reinstall it and drop the car, clear the fault, delete the fault, and see the fault gonna coming back. If the fault's coming back, maybe you will have to replace the motor. If you replace the motor, the fault still coming back, that's when you're gonna need to replace the whole transfer case. But this is the first, that's what you have to do first. Okay guys, so what you have to do right now, you gotta remove this cover over here, and you pop this cover out, because the gear you have to spin, it's inside this housing. And maybe you have to remove this motor also, because the gear you have to spin is gonna be inside the motor. Don't touch this here, just try to, this plate over here, work around the plate to remove the plate. Okay.